Hey, welcome to Hat Peoples. This is my star pupil, Deidre. Lives up the street. We're going to get to sewing. She is going to begin from the very beginning. She has never sewn on a sewing machine before, right?
Correct.
And we're going to go from absolutely the first step. So hang with us. Here we come. So, Deidre, the very first thing you need is, of course, a sewing machine. Mine is a little fancier, but this is the same as all machines, no matter how simple. So the methodology for threading and sewing is the same. What color is this? Is this thread good?
Yep, this is a good color. I like purple.
Show them the shirt. We're going to do this whole tee. There. Okay? Good. Now your machine's going to need some power.
Okay.
So, here's the presser foot. You press this down to control the speed. Okay? It'll be attached to your cord. Have this part, which goes into the machine here. And you have this part, which goes to your brain. No. No. You get power, of course, then you plug this in to any cord. Okay? It's just 2 prongs, so it should be fine. Plug that in, the camera.
Yes.
Now, we're plugged in and ready to go. You're going to turn it on the side over here. So go ahead and turn it on. You know it's on. See, it just lit up.
I did.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Are you good so far?
Yes.
Cool. We're going to take this thread and show her the very first step. The very first step you have to do is wind the bobbin, which is going to go in the bottom. So, we're going to take this thread, put it right here, and show you what to do. Deidre, this is called the bobbin.
Okay.
Okay? And this is just going to go in here with this thread.
Oh, wow.
All right, so leave this off. We put the thread right here, pull it out, okay? And pull it around this way. You think it's going backwards, but it's not, okay? We're going to pull it around that way. How do you do it?
Like that?
Yes. Now, you're going to take the bobbin. No, you're going to see the hole right here?
Yes.
You're going to take the thread.
Oh, that way. Okay.
And put it that way and give a good piece so it sticks out like that. Okay?
Yes.
And you do it.
There we go.
Excellent. So put that. Now you're going to put on this little peg right here. There's a little spring. Make sure it's down all the way to the bottom. Like that. Good.
Yeah.
Now take this. Okay, you're going to go that.
Oh, okay.
Take this and push it up against this. It's going to click.
Oh, wow.
You hear that?
Yes.
You have your thread. You have your bobbin. Hold your bobbin on top here, because the thread will go back through and you got to thread it all over again. Okay? Take your foot. Your left foot, it doesn't matter. Left foot, right foot, whatever's close, better for you. Okay. Go ahead and start it very slowly. There you go.
Oh.
You see? There you go.
That's cool.
And it winds it for you.
Oh, look at that.
Go ahead.
So how much?
Go ahead. You can do all the way out. This here stops it from overloading.
Oh, okay.
So you can do it as much as you want. We're going to do about halfway to do the hat today.
Okay.
You got to go now.
Oh, I can let it go. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
see? Now, if it's too long and it gets tangled up, you simply cut it short. Ooh. Okay, go ahead.
This is cool. More?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Keep going. Wind that baby, honey. Wind that baby. There you go.
I'm gonna say
Excellent.
this
Now
is
keep
the fun
going.
part.
Keep going. About halfway. We're going to do about halfway to do a hat today. Now, you can do it slow. Do it steady. Hold it steady. There you go. There you go.
Wow. That's cool.
You have wound your first bobbin.
I have.
Okay, take this out now. Pull this back to the other side. That resets your machine, okay?
Oh, okay.
And then of course cut it. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
There's
There's your bobbin.
The whole thing.
Yep. There's the bobbin.
Yeah.
Now with this thread up,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I'm going to trim it just a little more because you don't want to get entangled. That's good. Okay. With this part up,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to put the bobbin in the case.
Okay.
You're going to just drop it in there.
Oh,
See?
it
It does so.
easy.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now take the thread here. You have to guide it through this as a tension, so to make sure it's smooth. So you pull it down and out under through there.
Where am I guiding it to?
Let me show you. Watch. You do this. You do here. Hold it first of all, so it gets down and you're good. And you do this. You pull it down. See it going there?
Yes.
You'll snap in there and pull it around. Okay? And like that. See? So you pull it down through this little thing. You can feel it go in there. Okay? Around. If you're not sure, you know what? Take it out. Do it again.
Right in there.
There you do it.
So drop it in.
Yep.
And then
Excellent.
twist that.
Right there goes through that. That's the main thing, right? That little piece right there is the main thing.
Yes.
You can feel it. Pull it. You can feel the tension, right?
Yes.
If you'll notice here, the thread on top, and it goes counterclockwise. It goes not clockwise, counterclockwise.
Yeah.
If it goes clockwise, it's going wrong.
Okay.
Good. Take this cover. Watch, I'll do it and then you do it. Take the cover. It goes here, and it snaps there. Okay. This releases it. You do it.
All right.
Done, girl.
Okay.
Okay.
One, two, three, four, five, 6,
And then
7's a little trickier.
Yeah, a little tricky because you do it 1,000 times, you get used to it.
It keeps coming off.
Hold. Here's a tip. Take it here and hold it this way, and then pull it in and put through. There you go. See? There you go. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Now, tip number 3: if you don't want to waste thread, pull this back until you don't have to have all this extra thread.
Right.
So you can just pull it back. Yeah, it takes 2 hands. You got to do this like this. Okay? You don't have to do this. I'll just show you how.
Yes.
Okay? Because you don't want to hang on. You waste thread. There we go. Now, on this, wait.
Oh, okay.
The needle, this is called front threading needle. So here we're going to take this. See how I make it nice and smooth?
Yes.
Girl, I had to have cataract surgery so I could do this. Okay. Again, this should be at the highest point. This is at the wheel right here. See? It's at the highest point. Good. Now you're going to bend this down just a little bit. You see the needle hole? Can you see it?
I can see it, yes.
Okay, if you can see it, thread it from front to back, like this. Okay. Now it's a little tricky. So they have something for you called a needle threader if you want. And there's the thing you can use. I rarely use it. I can't see the needle threader either. So, and if you have to, add a little bit at the end. Okay, and then hold it steady, and put it in the needle. This is the tricky part, no doubt. See, it went through, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
This is the tricky part because you want to pull it back through. And look, see, it's going from front to back. And pull it. You ready to rock and roll?
Oh.
And you see here, and make sure. The number one thing that causes bad stitching is the needle's not threaded properly.
Oh.
Or it gets tied up down there somehow. You pull it out and you do it again. Okay, here. You do it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the tricky part.
It's in there.
See, yeah, it's tricky. You gotta hold it and pull it through. Now.
All right.
I got it.
Got it.
right?
Oh, for sure, yeah.
So there we go.
Hey, girl.
We ready to sew.
I love it.
Okay. All right. Now I have as you can see, a scrap piece of fabric, and you should practice first to make sure that you know what your stitches do before you actually sew anything. So you're gonna take this and you put it this way. Don't bunch it up here; makes it hard. Make sure your work is going off that way. That's another tip. And then pull your string out. Make sure you have enough string, cause why? It'll pull back through the needle. Okay, and then you have to thread that needle all over again. And I hate threading needles over again.
All right.
So, here. You got your thread. Pull your thread in the back. Got your thread. Okay? Good.
Now, is this where we pick?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah. You're going to put your foot levers in the back. All machines run this way in the same fashion. Okay? You thread it, put your thing, and you're going to put your foot down. You can choose a foot, but put it down. And now take the, here, let me show this way.
Lever.
Here, take the, and put it down. See?
Oh.
Pull it up again, and you put it down soft. There you go. Do it again.
It almost goes down almost by itself.
It'll go down. Yeah, it'll snap if you're not careful. You go, girl. Okay, now that we're done, let me pull it back a little bit. Now we'll be done. Now, you're going to choose your stitch.
Okay.
Most machines here have several stitches. I'm going to start with simple. This is the straight stitch.
Yes.
So choose the straight stitch. Goes on top of the dot. There we go.
Oh, okay.
This is your length. This is a stretch stitch. That's another video. But this here is how long it tells you. This is how long your stitch is. This is how long your stitch is, and this is the type of stitch you're doing. So we're going to do this stitch and this stitch today. Okay? Good. Pull it this way. All right. Go ahead and press. You're ready to go. Go ahead and sew, girl.
Am I pressing the foot down?
Press it. Go.
Oh.
Yeah. Soft. The first thing you do is go too hard.
Oh.
Good. Go ahead.
Okay.
This time, learn to slow down. There. Learn to control it. Stop. Okay. Pull up the lever. Good. Turn it. Oh, see how it's down?
Yes.
When you're done, take the wheel right here. Pull it towards you. Always towards you. It'll come up when it's up.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Oh.
Okay. See?
Oh.
There it goes.
Yes.
Yeah. You pull it this way. So this way. See?
Yeah.
Okay. That starts the next stitch. Okay. Good. Let's do another one. Here. Do some more. See how it's stitched?
Yeah.
That's it. You done sewed your first stitch, girl. Yeah. Even slower.
Oh, you said
So
even
yeah,
slower?
so you can, so you don't get out of hand. It'll get out of hand, and then you can't. There you go. You can do as slow as you want. Under control.
Oh wow.
Stop. Pull this up to the top. There you go. Pull it out. Now you lift your foot.
My foot's. Oh, this. Sorry.
I'm sorry. It's called a press. Sorry, girl. You lifted your foot down. No, the presser foot. Go ahead. Turn it however you want. You can go any direction you want. You can go sideways, or just so wherever you want.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Maybe
Go ahead, girl.
I'll try.
Put your foot back down before you sew.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. That controls the stitch. Go ahead.
Oh,
now
okay.
See how this is short?
Yes.
Now let's lengthen it. So pull this around this way until it reaches like 4. Put it all the way.
Okay.
There you go. Now try it. Look how much longer it is. Watch. See how much bigger it is? You'll see it. You'll see it. Okay. Okay. Now you don't have to go to the edge. Stop right there.
Okay.
Watch. Pull it up. Go this way. You can go any way you want.
Okay.
That's the beauty. That's the beauty of this tool.
Put that down.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Are you with me?
I am.
Good. Now, put this back to 3.
Okay.
and choose, what was it? Oh, that stitch. That's called zigzag. Yeah, see what it does. Watch. Just chose zigzag. It's already down. I'm sorry, I put it down for you. Oh, okay, one thing. Don't push it.
Oh, just let it flow.
Don't, in fact, don't even touch it.
Oh.
Watch, it'll go by itself. So all you're gonna do is just guide it.
Guiding it.
There you go, see?
Oh.
Okay?
Now I get it.
You with me? Oh, go girl, go girl.
Okay.
That's all right. So girl, go girl.
Oh, okay.
You with me? Well, you just sewed your first stitch.
Hey.
So there you go. You go girl, you sew girl. So Deidre has just now sewed her very first thing on a sewing machine. I want you to be next.